Hello friends, I'm Jay Balde Jain and welcome to my channel Pro World. In today's video, I'm going to teach you all how to solve 3 into 3 Rubik's Cube. So let's begin. There are totally 4 steps involved to solve this cube. Before this, let me tell you a few notations. So this cube is a combination of centers, edges and corners. So there are totally 6 centers, that is white, yellow, green, blue, orange and then red, and then there are totally 8 corners and we have 12 edges. So first what you have to do is you have to remember the opposite color, that is opposite of white color it is yellow, opposite of green color it is blue color, and opposite of orange it is red color. So opposite of green is blue, and then opposite of orange is red, and then opposite of white is yellow. And there are few moves you have to remember. So there are totally 12 moves. So the first one is R. In R we have to move the right part of the layer in a clockwise direction, and then L we have to move in the clockwise direction, that is the third layer. So for this the clockwise direction is this side, and then U is we are moving the upper layer and that also in the clockwise direction. Next is D. So for D the clockwise direction is in this way. F, that is the front layer. B, that is the back layer. So you have to move in the clockwise direction, so in this way. And then the next 6 moves are R prime, that is if there is a prime it means we are moving in the anti-clockwise direction. So R prime means anti-clockwise direction. Then how will we move? L prime will move in this way, in the opposite manner. So for this the anti-clockwise direction is moving towards the front. What is U? U is in this way. So for U prime it will be in anti-clockwise direction, it means in this way. So D prime will be in the opposite manner. F prime, F we moved in this way, but it is F prime, it means we have to move in the anti-clockwise direction. So in this way, F prime. And for B prime, how will it be? It will be in the anti-clockwise direction, it means in this way. So B prime. So after scrambling, while solving the cube, the first thing you have to remember is you have to keep the white layer towards the below, and yellow layer should be in the top, and the green center should be face towards you. So the first step is we have to bring all the white edge pieces towards the white center. So first we have to check the white pieces. So here there is a white piece and there is another color present here, that is blue color. What you have to do is after finding the white edge piece, you have to check for the other color, and then you have to match this color with its center. So where is the blue center? Blue center is here. So how will you bring it? You can't bring it this way. So what you have to do is first you will do R and then bring U, and then you will bring it towards the down, that is R prime. And see, we have connected the blue edge with its blue center, and then white is also present. Now we have to bring this white in the below. So F. And then the next piece. So here we can see that there is white edge piece here and there is orange piece. What we have to do? We have to match this orange edge piece with its center. So where is orange? So it is here. How will you bring this? You have to do R and then U2. If you do U2, then you can match with this. And then we have to bring, after matching this with the center, we have to match this white edge with its center. So where is the white part? It is in the below. So you have to do F2 so that it will come towards the nerve. So we have matched two white edge pieces and also the other color with its center. So here we have the green piece, we have to match with its green center, R, U, so it is matched with its center, and then white we have to bring it towards the below. But before this, you have to bring this part towards the below so that it will not be moved. It will come back to its original position, and then F2. So this is how we solve the first step, and we have to bring all the white edge pieces and match with the center, and the other color present on the white edge piece should be matched with its center. So see, you can see that white piece is matched with the center, and it is also matched with its center. Blue, orange, and green. And then the second step is to bring all the corner pieces toward all the white corner pieces towards the white center, and also we have to form the second layer. So how will you bring the white corner pieces? But first find the white corner piece, so here it is, and check the other two colors present on it. So here it is blue and orange. So first bring this part between the blue and orange. So where it is? So here it is. So here it is orange and here it is blue. After bringing this piece in between these both color present on this, what you have to do is, if the white piece is present on the right hand side, then you have to apply the formula R U R prime U prime. So as you can see that here the corner piece has come to its position, and then find other corner pieces. So here one more piece is present, and what are the colors present on this? So here it is green and then red. What you have to do is bring this part between the red and green. So we have bought it. So if the white piece is present in front of you, then what you have to do is apply the formula U R U prime R prime. So as you can see that the other corner piece has come to its position. So if the white piece is present on the right hand side, what is the formula? R U R prime U prime. And if the white piece is in front of you, then you will use the formula U R U prime R prime. And then we have found out already two corner pieces, and then to find the third piece. So here is the piece, and blue and red are present on it. So we should bring this in between the blue and red. So here it is already in between blue and red. Now the white piece is on the right hand side. What is the formula? R U R prime U prime. So it has come to the position, and there is one more piece left, so that is this one. So we have to this is green and orange, so we have brought in between these both color centers, and then it is in front of us. So U R U prime R prime. So this is how we bought this corner piece here. So this is how we solve the first layer. And what if the corner piece is in this way? So I have said the formula if the white piece on the right hand side or it is in front of us. If the white piece is on the top, what is the formula? So the formula is same as we solve for right hand side, but we should apply it for 3 times. So R U R prime U prime, R U R prime U prime, R U R prime U prime. So we have to apply the formula for 3 times, and then we got the corner piece towards that below. So next what we have to do is to solve the second layer. So first we have to check the edge pieces which don't have yellow piece on it. So here's the piece which doesn't have yellow piece on it. What you have to do is first check the color what is in the below and match this color with its center. So here it is orange and on the top it is blue. So match this orange with its center. So here is it. So after matching it, we have to move the cube towards the right hand side. So we have to rotate it towards the right hand side and check the color on the top. So it is blue in color, and then there are two formulas. If the color on the top is in front of us, then there is a formula, and if the color on the top is on the back side, there is a formula. So it is on the back side. So the formula is R U R U R U prime R prime U prime R prime U prime. So as you can see that the edge piece has settled here, and then the next edge piece, so here it is. So there is no yellow piece on it, and what we have to do, we have to match this orange piece with its orange center. So it is here. So then we have to check whether the top color is on the front side or in the back side. So it is on the front side. So for the front, the formula is R prime U prime R prime U prime R prime U R U R. So this edge piece is also settled, and then the next edge piece is here. So what we have to do, we have to match this red color with its center, and then we have to move towards the left. And what is the top color? It is green, and it is present on the back side. So for the back side, the formula is R U R U R U prime R prime U prime R prime U prime. So the red and green piece has also settled. So we have finished solving the two layers. So this is the second step, and then the third step is we have to solve the yellow layer. So there are totally two formulas involved for solving this. Two formulas are repeated till the yellow layer is fully solved. So the first formula is, if there is a dot case, that means if there is only a yellow dot present, or if there is a yellow line, or if there is a yellow J present, then we will use the formula. For line we have to keep in this manner, and then F R U R prime U prime F prime. So after solving this, we got the fish case. So for fish case, what you have to do is, till we have to use the formula, and this formula is used only there is a yellow part present in this manner towards us, towards you. So there is no yellow layer. So what we will do is, keeping in this manner, we will use the formula R U R prime U R U2 R prime. So rotate the cube, and you can see that there is a yellow piece here. So we have to use the formula again, R U R prime U R U2 R prime. So the yellow layer is solved. So the third step is completed, and then the fourth and the last step is to complete the last layer. So there are totally two formulas involved for this. So if there is a piece present on this side, there is a formula, and if a piece is present on this side, we have a formula. So the red should come in this manner. So the formula is L prime U L prime U prime L prime, and then U prime L prime U L U and then L prime twice. So the second case, if we have to bring the blue on this side, so the formula is R U dash R U R U and R and then U dash R dash U dash R2. So we have solved it. So this is how we solve the 3 into 3 Rubik's Cube using the beginner's method. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, please like it, share it and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.